5, 6, take a knee, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee bend to the side. Back roll, groin and hammy now. 1, alternate. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's sit upright, hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, rotations. 1, 2, 3, change direction. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 3, Pelembe. 4, don't cram on our tummy. 3, 4, let's come to side chains. Okay, high knees on the ball, sideways, high knees sideways. You join that cue, one touch. There on the orange, the yellow that side, open groin, 1, 2, 3, 4. You join the cue. Let's try not to have a cue, let it flow, let it flow. Chains. The last 4 minutes, then I want a short acceleration. Yeah. Yeah, they don't see it, but it's actually endurance. Yeah, working on footwork. So the most important thing is to focus on the drills. They offense, takam.
Flash, flash.
How sharp, coach? Touch and go on the drill. Touch and go on the drill. Touch and go, touch and go. Join up more, yes, so that we balance the number. Let's go. Sharp. Bye. Much better. When we come 2-1.
Yeah, boy.
First leg top, see coach 2-1. 1-0. Coach CV. Yes. Come boys, let's not ruin it.
Did you eat, bro?
Change of pace, change of pace. Change of pace, change of pace. Change of pace now, change of pace. After the drill, change of pace. Change of pace. Change of pace. Change of pace. Change of pace, change of pace, change of pace. Yes, change of pace. Short acceleration. Short, yes. Leave far, change of pace a bit. Just a short pace, short pace. Yes. Let's move, let's move. Hold on, let's jog the side. 6-6 or 7-7. Let's go, let's go. Pace, yes. Short pace, short pace.
Sibonile ke future eKaizer Chiefs bafethu isiprepare ijima. Captain Fantastic uthulane touch mabaso njengoba they are getting ready ukuthi bandize bayelene eNgilandi einsukwini bafethu. I think bazo arrive nge-20 something November laphana la bazodlala khona no Manchester United no Leeds. Abafana ama-resources, they have world class resources ukuthi bakwazi ukuphumelela nanokuthi bajime kahle, preparation kahle, everything nje ibe sharp. Sibonile noManqoba ozomena umfana kudala ku2 years ku-first team uyafika, simbone bam-invite ejima, but-ke phinde kuthuleke futhi singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye umfana. Ubani uSifiso Timba naye umfana odlala laphana ku-under 20, very important, super talented. The aggression is there. Sabona noKabelo Nkwesa umfana laphana odlala i-left back bafethu ubalulekile for iKaizer Chiefs, but-ke i-left back kunzima laphana ku-first team, unayo first team contract, but yeah kunzima kakhulu for umfana ukuthi adlale for manje. I think u-right ukuthi i-D.C. team azi-establishe kahle alukakhula. Nobani uSteven Mendes umfana laphana othe una-17 i-scan samphekisa. Awunaleli hlongwane ukukhona naye ejimini after ama-struggles wakhe we-injury lemkhiphe out for some games like Kaizer Chiefs ehlulekile ukuwina without yena for some time, but yeah ubuyile naye. Naye-ke is on a flight, or he will be on a flight ukuthi aye laphana eNgilandi. Sibonile noDonny Jansen lo bekaku-SuperSport United last season bamlonile i-Kaizer Chiefs expect ukuthi uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs bamenzele iplan somewhere ngoJanuary or bamhambise kuloan o-permanent. But-ke ziya-contradict iy'nkulumo cause i-coach yakhe laphana Uvela Khumalo uthe is working hard behind the scenes ukuthi abuyele ku-first team. Kusho ukuthi i-plan vele ukuthi uDonny abuyele ku-first team. Ku-first team kune-competition tough kakhulu bafethu. So I don't see him becoming one of the most important players for i-first team. So we'll see ngempela ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izomhambisa aye kuphi. No-goalkeeper baba-super talented abangakwazi uku-establisha kahle laphana eNgilandi. I mean, you wanna impress when you play against iy'ntanga zakho, so you never know ukuthi obani ababhekile abazobe babheke le tournament lena abazobe bayidlala. Uthola ukuthi abanye nje ngeke badlale leli Kaizer Chiefs first team not even once. Uthola ukuthi umuntu bangamthanda laphana eNgilandi and then bamsayine, kwazi bani. So that is why abafana njalo mebedlala kumele bamisele and bemisele kakhulu and give everything that they have, you know, without thinking about into ey'ningi. They just have to focus on their game. That's it. They have a powerful squad. Imagine if they are able to win the tournament layer lap. That would be massive. That would be great for bona bafana ne-confidence. Well, ulokhu njani abafethu? Umulifu ujima ne-DDC team naye. Okay, but it is what it is. Bafethu bayazi maybe bafuna ukuthi a-catch up slowly, bangamfakeli i-pressure yaku-first team. Yeah. I think vele uyadinga ukuthi ajime extra hard ukuthi a-catch up because he's missing a lot. Like he has been missing out on a lot of trainings for i-first team. Maybe ubhalansa ngapha nangapha or uqala because of intensity low la ku-DDC team ujima nabo abafana, and then-ke when he recovers fully and then uzoya ku-first team, or ujima nabo bobawu-2, jima ne-first team aphinde ajime ne-DDC team or uqale la ku-DDC team asazi. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page bafethu siyalikhulisa libe independent, libe strong, likwazi ukumela 100,000 subscribers bafethu esigijimisayo. Uma ungasubscribe umelini.